Super easy 4-mile run this morning. Gonna throw the map up here, splits up here, and my legs are definitely feeling it from yesterday's squat session. And I think moving forward on this 5x5 program, my legs are going to be sore pretty much every single week. And also just finished with some barbell bench press, was able to complete 195 5x3. And out of the 3 powerlifting movements, my bench press is definitely the weakest in comparison to my body size. My strongest is my deadlift, and then in the middle would be my squat. Right now, if I were to attempt to do a 1 rep max, realistically, I think I'd be able to hit 405 at least for the deadlift, and maybe even 415. My squat, I'm probably looking at 285, 295, and then my bench press, I'm probably looking at 215 to 225, somewhere around there. So I really want to get my bench press back up to 225 for reps. The strongest that I've ever been on the bench press was 255 for a single, but there was one point where I was repping 225 5x3. And if you're curious to know what happened to my finger, I actually sliced my fingertip when I was opening my cream cheese for my bagel yesterday. And it's just super annoying because when I am on my phone and I'm trying to log into certain apps, it takes my fingerprint, and now I can't even fingerprint on my phone to get into my apps, and I have to put in the whole password. Plus, it's like super itchy, and obviously that's just from it healing, and it's just kind of annoying. The one thing that I dislike most about being an ultra runner, and I know it just comes with the territory, is how my feet are turning out. With each passing day, passing week, the more miles that I put in, my feet are getting gross. I am getting more calluses in different spots of my foot. I'm getting thicker calluses. Not only that, but my toenails have fallen off multiple times. The second toenail of both feet have fallen off at least twice, the left one twice, the right one 3 times, and the nails haven't grown back the same since. And my toenails really don't fall out that often. It's only really when I'm running 30, 40 miles plus at one time. My feet get swollen, my toes get swollen, and then after I finish that amount of miles, a few days later, my toes will turn black, kind of like a hematoma. It's like black/purple, and then eventually the toenail will fall off. Though this is all a very small price to pay with all the benefits that comes with ultra running. And as you can probably guess, my favorite thing about being an ultra runner is what it does to my mind up here. Ultra running pushes me to that mental edge where I want to quit. When I'm running 50 miles, when I'm running 100 miles, when my body is giving out, and I'm asking myself, why? Why, Vince? Why are you doing this? You can just quit right now. Why are you putting yourself through this? When it feels like someone is taking a very dull knife and slicing my muscle and slicing my kneecaps, and I still have 4 more hours to go. I still have 7 more hours to go, but I keep pushing. I get over it, and I come out the other side stronger. And really for me, ultra running and everything that goes into it is a huge metaphor for all the goals that I want to achieve in my life. I have to have a game plan. I have to surround myself with the right people. I have to have mentors. I have to put in the work day in and day out. I have to dial down the details when it comes to nutrition, when it comes to everything else. I have to be adaptable, and I know it's going to be hard. Life is going to be hard. The race is going to be hard. My goals are going to require work, and I am willing to put in that work, and I am willing to sacrifice, and I am willing to hurt to get to my goal, or i.e. the finish line of that 100-mile race. So thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed that video. Let me know down in the comments if you have any comments for me, questions, concerns. Would love to hear from you all. If you want to catch another one of my videos, there's a video right here. There's a video right here. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helped me out. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right here. See you all tomorrow.